Thank you for watching Foodie-Ninja channel. Okay, today not me, my grandmom gonna show you how to make oden stew. It's a sort of very family style, like Japanese meal. It's in the pot. Just put on any ingredients. It's sort of white raddish. Some use sausage and Konnyaku, whatever you want. And just pretty simple dish. Okay, I'm gonna explain and introduce some ingredients as well. Okay, here we go. Just place 3-liter water with actually seaweed, 2 pieces of seaweed, and like just start boiling. Next, she already peeled white radish like that, and another one, and Konnyaku. It's like a Japanese veggie. ばあさんそれちぎるんだろ
ちぎるんじゃないか切るんだよ。
切る Okay.
切るんだよ。
She's not gonna tear out. She's gonna cut by hand.
茹でね。
She said she's gonna boil
こ
fast.
れで。ユニーク。
Add the water, and then she's gonna just like blanch and Konnyaku. She's gonna prep next white radish. Okay, cut the top off. Don't break it.
1センチ5ミリ。
She's gonna cut 1.5 centimeter like thickness, like that. It's a pretty tough game, it seems. She's really hard. She's counting how many white radish she already cut. Okay, keep going.
ええな。
And she's gonna cut like that. なんで切る？
切り込みシールがシミな中にシミンっていうの。
Okay.
ある？面取りする面取り。
Okay. Okay, she's cutting like this because it's much easier to blazing. Same as pickle cooking. Okay.
それだけな。
見して。
筋が入ってるから。
Okay, this like white radish is a bit terrible because inside can you see like this like black like a square the square circle stuff. And she said like it's really shit this ingredient, so just like chucked in the rubbish. Yeah, kind of like that. Yeah. Keep cutting like sort of square. Nice.
と使う？も
いいだろそんだけ
うちょっと使う？
もういいだろそんだけ
でもこれにさ、いいか。
十分や
いいよな。いいよな。こう筋が入ってるな。
She was asking me, is there enough like white radish? Yeah. She got also like a brunch this white radish as
こ
well.
れこんにゃく
Yeah, yeah.
何分？今何分だった？
まあ3分くらい。
で、
Is it just like a brunch like konnyaku vegetable for 5 minutes?
これで、これな、まあ、これ水かけて、あれでレンジでな、柔らくちょっとするのな。わかるわかる。
わかったわかった。Just sprinkle a little bit water. The cover with a cream wrap. Like that.
10分ぐらいせに行くまあな。
She said, place on microwave and cook around 10 minutes.
まあ、じゃあこれ
Okay, let's go.
奥入れて。ちょっと柔らくもた。
Okay, just cooks out in microwave. It's like 500 watt in 10 minutes, she said. Otherwise, if white radish like can be soft, that's ready to cook because much easier to cook if you gonna use this method. Okay, let's go next one.
こんにゃくあげたよ今。あれ卵。
Yeah, she's gonna cook next egg.
すぐ入れてな。
なんで水で？
すぐ入れなんで割れる。
She's gonna like cook the boiled egg with water and vinegar because protect break up.
家だったからそこ入れた方がいいんだろう。
家のとこいいだ。わかんないとどうやってんの？
いいね、これ。水だろうと。割れるけん。
どんぐらい茹でんの？
これでいいじゃろ。
何分茹でんの？
8した。
何分茹でんの？何分茹でんの
10分ぐらい。
10分ぐらい。
10分この子。
She's gonna cook around in 10 minutes after boiling. Just I have to wait. Once start boiling, this pot, she's gonna add one handle bonito flake. And you can get in Asian store or Asian grocery.
これがね、これ。だったらな、取ればいいけどな。
Yeah. Once like start boiling, just set aside all like a bonito. No, remove the all bonito and the seaweed. Yeah. Next, so you wanna cut the Konnyaku veggie, like that. Actually, very thick.
ちょっと待って。
味染み込みやすくしてる。
全部かな。
まあ全部だと思うよ。
これが代わり？
Ask me, that's all? Yeah, that's all. And finally, this like triangle shape. Once start boiling, just remove all ingredients, stock products. Remove that. So just change in medium flame and just add around 200-gram meat. Actually tendon meat. Come up more good stock. That's other ingredients. It's more sort of Japanese fish cake. This is with onion one, the vegetable one, and it's a fish cake roll with gobo vegetable. These items you can get the Asian store or Asian grocery, probably. Okay, next, she's gonna add the sake. Pretty much like quarter of sake. Okay, she's gonna use noodles, like a stock, noodle stock. Yeah. Pretty much like a half cup noodle stock. Next, just normal soy sauce, around half cup. That's it. Next, mirin. Okay, it's quarter of cup. Okay, white radish is ready. これ持って、これ持って、はい、これでやってる。Okay, she's gonna add the white radish in the pot. She also add salt as well. Pretty much 1 TSP. Yeah. Okay, remove fish cake. Add Konnyaku veggie. もうちょっとゆっくりしたらいいんじゃねOkay, next. Once cook the egg, just crack the egg. Okay, let's finish like peel the egg. Yeah. Good. Place the boiled egg in the pot. Okay, she's gonna skim the bubble from meat. Okay, next sausage as well, and fish cake. So just chucked in all ingredients into the pot. And just keep shimmering. どれぐらいにいるの？
どれかにだいたいまーちゃん
1時間ぐらいかな。
いっぺん煮て、ちょっと止めて とろ火でするんじゃ。ちょっと煮立ったらな、とろ火ゆっくり、これもとろ火でコツコツ煮んといてつくつく1時間もう1時間は煮ないけま。
She said she gonna simmer for around 1 hour. Yeah, she said just bring to the in high medium flame, and once start boiling, just change to simmer and cook for 1 hour. She had just extra fish cake. Okay, let's cook for 1 hour. After 1.5 hours shimmering. So yeah, it looks pretty alright. Just need a little bit cooled up for the rest. Okay, then this is the oden. So thank you for cooking my grandmom today, and thank you also watching Foodie-Ninja channel.